And with tariff anxieties on the rise, more Americans are turning to second-hand marketplaces for value.
Platforms like OfferUp and eBay are witnessing a surge in activity as consumers brace for price hikes on imported goods. OfferUp, which has over 40 million users, reported a sharp increase in searches of smartphones, electric bikes, appliances and baby products, items particularly exposed to trade-related disruptions. According to executives, searches for some categories, including iPhones and washer-dryers, rose by as much as 10 times the usual level in May alone.
The U.S. second-hand market generated roughly $53 billion in revenue in 2023. Capital One data shows that around one-third of all clothing bought in the U.S. last year was second-hand. Platforms like ThredUp report that a majority of shoppers are concerned trade policies will drive up apparel prices higher and prompting a shift towards resale. More than 40% of goods sold on eBay are now used or refurbished, a shift company executives call a major competitive advantage as well.
Retail analysts say this trend is just beginning with back to school and the holiday season ahead. Second-hand shopping is poised to surge further. Shoppers are not only looking to save but also to avoid potential shortages. Baby products, which are heavily imported from China, have seen particularly high demand on resale platforms. Industry watchers say that as tariff threats grow, so will consumer interest in pre-owned goods. This will mark a significant pivot in American shopping behavior.
And for more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York. Listen to this.
As U.S. tariffs escalate, Americans are turning to secondhand shopping to mitigate rising costs. Platforms like OfferUp have reported a tenfold surge in searches for items like Apple AirPods, couches, and even washing machines. Similarly, eBay notes that over 40% of its sales now involve used or refurbished items. A recent survey indicates that only 20% of consumers feel prepared for these price hikes, while 91% are already cutting back, cooking at home more, delaying tech upgrades, and seeking affordable alternatives. This shift isn't just about saving money, it's about adapting to a new economic reality where secondhand shopping becomes a practical and sustainable choice. The secondhand market is booming, projected to reach $73 billion by the year 2028. Platforms like Poshmark and Depop have seen significant increases as well in user engagement and shopping, reflecting a broader trend toward resale as consumers seek cost-effective alternatives amidst this economic uncertainty. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.